Holy bugs. Oh, it always does that. Yeah. Last time I was here, the porcupine was making all the seagulls fly up. It was really neat. So we're riding along the Morris Island Rail Bridge, just starting a 75k loop through Shawville and then back over the Quyon ferry. But it's a perfect day for this.
You smell the bridge, eh?
Yeah. Never. Yeah, go around that way. Woo! Holy cow. I did this successfully last time, so I know. Just get on the opposite side of your bike. And that's it, the bridge is done. So this part will be annoying for a bit, especially just up ahead. Let's just speed up and go. Let's just get this section over with. Go a bit ahead, so the faster you go, the more wobbly we get. So we just got through the section with a lot of deer flies. Mark's helmet got filled up with them. So we're speeding up a little bit. What's up, babies? No. That's weird. What do I not have? I have nothing in the back for them, I guess. It's actually handy. We're just approaching the piles of the mine site up ahead. Just goes straight around.
See all the water down there?
Oh my God. Hopefully we're done. I really don't know though. This isn't good. What the hell is this? They totally covered it. Wow. What? There is a kind of a way through here. It's not easy though. Okay. I got it. Deerfly hell. Right by the first piles of the Bristol Mine. I don't know where Mark just went. Lots of dirt bike tracks here. Let me check on Google Earth. That's cool. That's the Bristol Mine ahead. When I get onto the road. I don't get around here. I just heard Mark going on the other side, going at like a bat out of hell. I was way down there and I hear whir, 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 whir.
They dug up a big spot you cannot pass.
And look, there's a big, like, lakes everywhere.
Yeah, they did it right in a pond, so it was I couldn't even walk to it.
No idea. They're everywhere here, right?
Yeah.
And who knows how old these roads are. Oh, this feels so much better.
Get away from the bugs.
Yeah. We're 27.8 kilometers into the ride. We're heading west.
8.4. But I did a little extra there going back and forth on that path.
Yeah, that's true. Going onto a dirt road. I think this goes almost all the way up to Shawville. Or we should be about halfway in Shawville. But it's only 11 o'clock. It's been a freaking great ride. Oh, neat road, eh?
Yeah.
Weird. Actually, it might be uphill like this almost the whole way up to the 148. Because the 148 can be pretty high.
Yeah.
There's sections when you're past Elmer, when it's time to turn and go up to the 148, it's this mountain to go up. So imagine you grew up here.
Yeah, I know.
Someone did.
Beautiful, eh?
Wow. This is stunning. So it would have been a nice ride in reverse too, eh? Wow. So we're riding through Shawville, going up to the PPJ cycle path up ahead. It's only 374 meters. So our path is only 374 meters, we're on it. And that's the old rail trail, duh. I've never seen this. I've never been in this part of the town.
Yeah.
I've only been on the 148. It's actually a cool little town, eh? Look at this. This is nuts.
Shit.
It's not paved the whole way, but
I wonder how far it goes.
it goes really far.
Put a bike to
Neat. Sorry. So we have 17K on this. So this is the old rail line.
Oh yeah,
You can see it.
cool, eh?
Yeah. So the beginning of my long distance cycling was partially because of Shawville. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Really? On a dirt path. We're heading down the PPJ. We're another 9.2 kilometers before we turn down towards Quyon to take the ferry. But the countryside here is beautiful. Trail's really smooth, crushed gravel. No trains so far, luckily. But it's all nothing but fields. It's just beautiful.
Gorgeous fields.
That's amazing.
At least it's not scorching.
Yeah, it's nice and cool today. We thought we'd be roasting and getting dehydrated, but it's perfect. We just stopped here because there's a little painted, or some type of turtle. Looks like a very large painted turtle. I'll have a photo, hopefully I'll put it on. But yeah, we just stopped here because it's beautiful and there's a swamp. There's a beaver dam over there. It's Beaver Lodge, thank you. Been in the city too long. This is great. I can hear the 148 if you're wondering how far it is.
I'm not sure of the altitude is.
Yeah, no kidding. Whoop, bunch of tractors. So we're just getting off of the trail. Oh, this is gold mine. So I think we go there.
Only at 5
That's a vole. So heading down on, we're on, I don't know if it's the Gold Mine Road. We were on it for 2 seconds. But we're going over towards Rue Clarendon.
Still see the mountain.
Yeah. So the trail, I guess, ends right where we hit here. So any chance you want down into Quyon to the ferry, or where the ferry is. Should have another couple kilometers to get there.
Are we in Quyon?
Yeah, it says we have 1.4K to get to Rue Saint Jean, or Saint John, which I think is really close to the ferry.
Like it.
Wow, this is big.
That was Frank where we're going on the way.
Yeah. Must be Canada Day coming. We're going to be turning right very soon. No! He's going to the ferry. Are you trying to be him? See if you can. Oh, this is annoying. Oh, right here, chart, Mark. Yeah. It'll end up in the same place, but a less truck-filled road. Oh, this is neat. You just kind of go almost to the river and then do a little zigzag onto the boat. See the grounds over there?
Yeah.
That's where Rick thinks that Philemon Wright had his retirement farm.
Wow.
That was the last place he lived. Oh, he's over on the other side.
Yeah.
How's it going? Not bad. We're getting onto the ferry at Quyon. Thank you. Seems silly that we have to pay.
For me, it's only $5.
Yeah, I think it's $3 for any bike or walking.
So I'll give you a 10 to kind of make up for lunch.
Oh, you don't have to give me anything. Don't worry about it. Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, the road, it says.
What's that sign say?
That we just missed?
The one that's facing the other way.
I think it's the park.
Is it a provincial thing?
Yeah, we're doing a big loop-de-loop through here, through the camping area. No, this is weird, eh? just riding down Highway 5 out of Fitzroy, and we're going to turn onto the rail trail. This is where I came out a few weeks ago on another ride from the opposite side. Go right here, and this will be a lumpy 5K back. It doesn't look as obvious as last time. Yeah, it's right here. You can see it. Looks great, eh?
I actually kind of thought that was going to happen when we did it.
What? Back on the Beachburg Division Rail Trail, and this is what we have most of the way back.
How much further?
About, I think it's only 3.5K of this, but that's assuming it's 75K. We're at the end of Beachburg Trail onto Morris Island Drive. We're exactly where we started, down the other way. You want to go around again?
Go the other way.
Oh my God, that would be so hard.